All that is left to set up before we can test this new attack state is to set up the hitbox trigger for this attack for detecting hits with other game object. Let's do that in this video. Select the player game object and open the animation window with the animation clip for this new attack state selected. We just need to add a few new animation curves for controlling the hitbox trigger that is set up as a child game object. It needs to be positioned and sized accordingly within the animation in order to detect hits correctly. If you select the jab animation, you will see how the animation curve is managing the hitbox trigger for that attack animation clip was set up. Let's copy the animation curves and then paste them here for this new attack animation clip. Then let's just adjust the timing, position, and size accordingly for this animation, like so. Now when the animation is playing, the hitbox trigger would follow along with the animation. That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you find these videos helpful. Thanks for watching.